a treat by O.G.E is actually sworn. Kind of interact with my audience more. I feel I'm talking to people there and I can relate with them directly. Hello guys, and welcome to another vlog. So guys, we are on our way to the park. It's a very sunny day for us to be inside, for anyone to be inside the house. Like, it's not even too cold right now. I'm wearing a jacket, a very light jacket that doesn't have this normal fur in it, so it's so exciting. Actually, we have a play date with a friend of mine. They're already there and we are just on our way, and so exciting. The weather is so beautiful. It's just like Nigerian weather, and I'm so glad that today is a day that I'm not going to work. So I'll see you guys later to just go and have fun. Let me just take you guys along with me. I don't know, this sun is giving me fresh vibes. Just chilling and having food. It's a really beautiful day today. We just finished having sandwiches and some fruits. So, oh god, my hair is just so scattered. This is something that I've always wanted to do with my kids, and it's really amazing. It's really amazing. Everyone is outside, the sun is out, so you just have to be out. Once the sun is out, you should be out. So my skin is giving. This girl is a fine girl, but my hair is just scattering everywhere. So I'll see you guys later. Alright? Oh god, see, my closure has been. Look at where these children have reached. Can you see where those children have reached? See, just look at. And look at my friend over there. And that's it. No, don't go. Forward. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing this with you guys. I'm so excited to unbox this with you guys. Like, I've kept this for a while and it's been with me for like close to a week because I've not really had time to like do a sit down video. So I just wanted to just use this opportunity to unbox it with you guys. Yes, you're seeing something behind my screen. I'm trying to like upgrade my videos for you guys. So if you are stopping by for the first time and you see my face and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that whenever I put up an upload, you'll be the first to be notified. So guys, let us go straight to the unboxing. So actually I'm going to be doing this quickly because I have to go pick my kids. I'm going to be unboxing this. It's actually a gadget from Amazon that I've been wanting to get for the longest time. I've been seeing it on the internet, like, so I decided to like put it in my cart for the longest time, and finally I have gotten it. So I just want to show, I'm so excited to show this thing, to share this video with you guys, and just sit back and watch. Let us see how to so let's just unbox it straight up. So guys, this is so exciting to open. I'm just trying to like up my game in this. I don't know, I'm investing a lot in this YouTube, and the outcome has to be positive. So if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please try to subscribe to my channel, okay? So let us open the box and let's see what's inside. Okay, let us see what's inside. So I've really missed doing a sit down video for a very long time. I haven't done a sit down video with you guys. It's because I've not really had the opportunity to sit down and have this kind of conversation because of the kind of job I do, and I think it's easier for me to do vlogs. That's why I do more vlogs. I can just decide to go out. I'm just going out and I decide to just start a vlog. I think it's easier for me that way. But sit down video, I think you have to do some kind of preparations, which I don't really think I have the time for. So but now I'm going to be creating time for it. I'm going to be creating time for sit down videos so that I can be able to like have one-on-one touch with my viewers and with my subscribers. So I finally opened it. See it. I have some couple of stuffs in it. So I have a couple of stuffs in it. So what's inside it is just the paper. So let's go down to the box. So right now I have, I'll keep the box here. I have this. Yes, this is the major I ordered for. There are other things in the box, but this is like the major one. I just want to show you guys this first. So look at it now. It's a 360-degree tracker. It's like a phone tracker. So what you do is that you attach your phone, and wherever you move, it's like follows your body movements, and you can just drop your phone and attach it to the device. And once you start your video, in front of the video, you have to stand in front of camera obviously, and wherever you move, it just keeps following you like 360 degree. You know what I mean? You know what I'm talking about? So I don't need anybody to like do any video for me. I'll just put it and I'll just be moving around, and the tracker will just keep following my body movements. That's what this thing does. That's what it does. As I saw it, the day I saw it, I said, this is what I need. I'll stop begging my husband. I don't have to be begging my husband to come and be giving me shots, or using my tripod stand or my table stand to be trying to get good shots and all that. So this is going to really help me a long way, because content creating is content creation, it's so tiring, because you always have to think out of the box, think of what to do, think of the kind of content you should create for your audience. I swear to God, those people that are succeeding in this pathway, they are really trying, honestly, and they've done a lot of work to get to where they are. So you should appreciate them, honestly. So let me open it. I'm talking too much. So let's open it. The packaging here, very strong. Okay, I'm just excited to open it. So let's see it. Wow. O.G.E. O.G.E. Can you see it? Yes. You put your phone here. I think I need to get my other phone to do the experiment. You put your phone here and you press this button, and it keeps moving. Your video, just turn on your camera, start shooting, and your body movement just be moving, and the thing will be following you. That's just all it does. Just put your camera on, put your video, and start shooting, and it will start following you anywhere you go. That's all it does. Hey God, I need to actually test it for you guys. I don't know, and I need to look at the manual. I don't know. I think it's a wireless face object tracker that moves with you. That's what it said here. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see. I hope it's showing. Yes. So that's what it does. It follows you wherever you go. And I got it for, how much did I even get it for? I'll put it in the description box. I can't really remember how much I got it, but I'll put it down in the description box how much I got it. It actually makes use of battery. It doesn't make use of light, and you can attach your tripod stand underneath. Yes, so it works with your tripod too. You can put it on a table anywhere, and you can put it on your tripod. Can you imagine? So it's very effective. It doesn't need electricity, it just needs battery. And well, one downside about this thing is that it doesn't come with battery. You have to get your own battery by yourself. Can you imagine? So I have to go and get my own battery by myself before I start using this. So don't worry, by the time I start using it, you'll notice it in the video, and maybe I'll put the link too. So let's see this one. What's in the box? So there's some couple of things here. So I've always heard about this what they call it, is it snail mucin? Yeah, that's it. Oh god, is it showing? Yes. So this is snail mucin. I don't know, I've always been hearing or seeing people commenting about it. Is this Asian people that did this thing, or I don't even know. So I've been hearing that it works really well. Like the testimonies I've been seeing about this product, it's amazing. Like many people have used it. It's advanced snail mucin power essence, and I got this other one too, advanced snail mucin power essence. I don't know if it's the same thing I got through. It's supposed to be two different things. I don't know what I'm seeing here, because when I ordered for it, there were two different items, and I'm seeing, I don't know, I was supposed to get one in a plate and this one, but I'm seeing two of this. So I don't know if this is a mistake, or I don't know, because of recent I've been having breakouts and I've been trying to like focus more on my skin. I've tried using what they call it, the Ordinary, and it's actually working for me, but I decided to add this to my face routine too, to see how effective it's going to be, because I want to be glowing. So forgive me, honestly, I'm just excited about everything. So that is what I got. That's what's in the box. And the next one is, let me open it for you guys, is my phone case. I love this phone case. So this is it. Oh, can you see that? This is for my iPhone, for my iPhone 14 Plus. I'm actually using the phone to film now, and this is the old one I've been using. I've been using this. It has my name inscribed on it. Can you see that? O.G.E. Yeah, so this is what I've been using for my phone. But currently I've gotten this one. This one is really nice. I don't know if this camera is actually getting the beauty of this phone pack. It's giving this African vibe, and I really love it. Honestly, I really love it. Then the next one is also a phone pack too. When I got this one, I think I got this one first before I now saw this one. This one, I couldn't resist this one, honestly. So this is the second one, or the first one, or the second one rather. I actually got this one because of this stuff. You can actually just put it out. I hope I'm doing it the right way. There's a way you put it. O.G.E. Yeah, that's it. So there's a way you put it. It comes out, and you can actually just place your, I don't know if you can see it. You can just place it on the table and watch what you want to watch. If you want to watch something, you can just bring it out. Look at it here. You can just bring it out and place it on the table and watch what you want to watch, just like that. So that's why I got this one before I now saw this one. This one is really sleek. This one is, I don't know if this thing is showing well. This one is really sleek. Oh my god, it's so sexy. So guys, and the last one is pumice stone. Is this stone that we use to do our pedicure? It's like, is it a pumice stone, or there? That's what they wrote on it. It's for pedicure, and recently I've been having a lot of dead cell behind my foot. Can you imagine? So, and sponge is not enough to like scrub it out, so I decided to get this. It's just a stone. Let me open it for you guys. Like I used to scrub my leg under my foot. Yeah, so that is it. Yeah, can you see that? I don't even know why I even brought it out before. I should have showed you guys. Yeah, that's it. So this is what it looks like when you just, yeah, it's not really heavy. So guys, that that's what's in my box. And I think I should do the testing for you guys, the 360-degree tracker, phone tracker. I should do that testing. I don't know if I should do it now or maybe I should do it later, because if I say I want to do it now, I don't know when next I'm going to do the sit down videos. I think I should come more often to do the sit down videos, because I think I kind of interact with my audience more. I feel I'm talking to people there and I can relate with them directly doing a sit down video. I think so. But I'm not much of a great talker. Like, I don't talk too much on a normal day. I don't really talk too much, so I find it difficult for me to do like a sit down video. And I don't know, it's something that you have to like get prepared for before you like sit down and do the video, and I don't really have time, like I said before previously. So I'll find a time, I don't know, I'll find out time to like do something like that, so I can be able to like connect with you guys. So have you guys seen my O.G.E Explorer? I've had this for some time now and I've not even worn it for a day, because I don't know, I feel it's just for the sit down video that it's suitable for. But now I'm going to be wearing it even to go outside. Even when I'm doing my vlog, I'll be wearing it for you guys. Guys, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the subscribe button, on the notification button, and everything nice beneath. I'll see you guys until next time. Bye.